Which YouTube TV logo is better? The YouTube TV logo is a single recognizable design featuring the YouTube play button icon followed by TV in bold text. While the logo is standardized and does not vary across platforms, its visual appeal can depend on the context in which it is displayed. Factors to consider. Color scheme. The YouTube TV logo uses red, white, and black, which are vibrant and highly recognizable, works well against both light and dark backgrounds. Simplicity and clarity. The design is clean and minimalistic, making it effective across various screen sizes, from smartphones to TVs. Brand consistency. The logo aligns with YouTube's main branding, ensuring continuity and familiarity for users. Usage context. Dark mode. The logo stands out on YouTube TV's dark-themed interface. Light mode. The white background and bold text maintain clarity and visibility. Conclusion. There is only one official YouTube TV logo, and it's designed to perform well across all platforms. The effectiveness of the logo depends on the context, such as the screen size or background color. Overall, its simplicity and alignment with the YouTube brand make it universally appealing.